This is an amazing restoration of a lovely 1930s craftsman home in downtown Winchester. Just 4 houses from National Avenue and a few blocks from all of the Old Town restaurants and shops, this home is just what you are looking for. The owner has created an oasis of comfort and had an eye for every detail. The exterior is real board and baton siding as well as restored stucco. The gables are fish scale gingerbread and are a detail that stands out. Everything that was done here was well thought out and hand-picked. Nothing is cookie cutter here. The blending of the old and new is woven into a tapestry that will appeal to those that live an older home and will love the fact that the original features are still intact and there is no work left to be completed. There is off-street parking via the alley at the back of the property and an outbuilding that could be changed into a garage. You could also open the rear gate and create plenty of parking at the end of the yard. You will love the 2-story building that would be perfect for a studio, office or a quiet space for whoever might need one. The yard is fenced and is a very good size for in town. Every detail was thought of and we are proud to share this lovely vintage home with you. If you are looking for a home that is totally unique, this is the one. Home at last.